Hello everyone, this is Jim Ogrozinski with a special edition screencast video for English 1105, the holiday week of July 4th. So just a reminder, the class is canceled for tomorrow. I'm going to talk about a variety of topics, go through the schedule, a little foreshadowing about assignments that are coming up in the next few weeks. And remember, we're going to want to hang out and listen to the end of this screencast video because I will give you the password for quiz number 4. So I'm sure everybody's gotten the email about assignment 2, so I'm not going to spend much time on that. Just to take a quick look at the schedule for week 5. Assignment 3, the jobs package, is due by noon on Wednesday. Also, quiz 4 will be due during the week. It'll open on noon on Wednesday. It'll run through the weekend, and the password, as I said, will be revealed at the end of this screencast video. So, we are following the typical pattern that we've established all summer long. Draft of your assignment number 4, which would be the proposal, be due by Friday. Peer reviews due on Monday, and the proposal assignment will be due before class on the 10th. So I just wanted to indicate that schedule coming up. All right, so the schedule gone. Let's get to Blackboard. Let's see, let's get to the course units. Let's get to the course units. Yay. Okay, chapter 13, unit number 5. What I've done is I've uploaded a copy of my PowerPoint on chapter 13, and you can read through that. I'll go through a few of the slides in a minute. So, one thing I want to point out though, the proposal is directly linked to the next assignment. So, assignment 4 is writing a proposal. And what you really should do before you write that proposal is look at the topics for assignment number 5. Now, assignment number 5 is the formal report. There are 3 topics for assignment 5: the fitness center, theme park research project, and also job positions. Okay, give all the specifics here in the proposal assignment. So let me take a moment and get back to the course units, taking a look at chapter 11, which is unit 6. And here I will explain exactly in this unit, you can read through about assignment 5 is the formal report. Now I want you to notice that the 3 formal report opportunities are once again reinforced here: fitness center, theme park, job options, or job careers, if you want to call that the career option. So take a look at the formal reports that I do have available here. I have a formal report for the fitness center criteria, and I'll touch on that in about a minute when we go through the PowerPoint. But we'll have to decide exactly which of the formal report topics that you want to write about for assignment number 5 in order to proceed with this week's assignment in chapter 13, which is the proposal. So after picking your topic and doing a little bit of research, I have a couple of examples along here in the proposal assignment. Along with the textbook in chapter 13 should give you enough of information and knowledge to write this proposal. Right, so I have the criteria here for the assignment, and if we take a look at just the fitness one example. All right, so what we have here is the example for written by one of the former students in a previous 1105 class about the benefits of a fitness center. All right, so you can take a look at that. You see the three distinct paragraphs as described in the assignment here. All right, so this is chapter 13. Just to touch on the PowerPoint, it's all about writing proposals. Proposals are generally meant to solve a problem. They're largely persuasive in nature, and they are meant number one form of a sales proposal, number one form of writing. So if you want to take a look at some of the examples in chapter 13, you have the routine internal proposal, which usually identifies a problem, talks about the problem, explains the problem, and then gives recommendations to solve the problem. So what we have here, and you might want to really take a look at, is the debate and the proposal about healthcare costs, which directly ties into the fitness center proposal and also the fitness center formal report. So you're looking for a topic proposal for the informal report assignment. You can stick with the fitness center. You can go with the theme park. You can do anything about jobs and careers if that's what you want to write about and research in the formal report. So I think it's critical that everybody understand that the two assignments, assignment 4 and assignment 5, are linked together. So, as I mentioned before, I do have the PowerPoint here. Please read through that. Quiz 4 will be coming up next week, and the internal or external proposals are illustrated here in the assignment in Unit 5 in Blackboard. You just upload your assignment by Wednesday. Discussion boards will be as the same over the last few weeks. Everybody should be finishing up the peer reviews for assignment 3. The assignment discussion board number 5 is on the proposal. All right. Let's see. If you have any other questions, please send me an email. Chapter quizzes will open up shortly. I think I will reopen chapter quiz number 3 if anybody has that particular issue to solve yet. And also, chapter 4 quiz will open at noon on Wednesday tomorrow. Okay, so the code, the password for quiz number 4 is COD cap letters 630. Once again, that is COD all caps 630 is the password for quiz number 4. So once again, if you have any questions, please send me an email. Have a safe and happy 4th of July holiday.